Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to find nearby people on Telegram. Before the video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, you have to install Telegram app. I have already installed and have an Telegram account. Now I am going to open Telegram. If we are opening Telegram for first time, allow your location and contact. Okay, now click on contacts and you can see there is an option called find people nearby. Click on that and you can see there is a nearby people showing here. You can send messages and find new friends from Telegram. If you don't see anything on find people nearby, then turn on your location on your mobile and restart Telegram app. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Then don't forget to hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching.